We are continuing practice at 3.3, question number 2. If you see the question, it is about division, and I am only going to do it using linear division. Okay, so only linear division here. So here we have the first thing, x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Okay, so x raised to 4 in the form of x plus 2, how I'll write, कैसे लिखूँगा? So we'll write x plus 2 into x cube. So we get x raised to 4 plus 2x cube. We have to remove 2x cube minus 2x cube, and then I'll write the rest as it is. Plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So these two get cancelled. Very good. So we are left with 3x square. So I'll write x plus 2 x cube, and then 3x square, how I'll write in the form of x plus 2. I have to multiply x plus 2 by 3x. So if I do this, I get 3x square plus 6x, and then I do minus 6x. Okay, very good. So first two terms are sorted. Minus 6x plus 4x is minus 2x plus 5. So now only for minus 2x, how I can write in the form of x plus 2 कैसे लिखूँगा? So अगर मैं सिर्फ minus 2 से multiply करूँ तो हो जाएगा. So let's do that. पहले तो इधर तक सेम है, x cube plus x plus 2 3x, and then here I can write, how I'll write, x plus 2, or I'll do minus x plus 2 into 2 into 2. So it will become 2x minus 2x minus 4, and we'll have to do plus 4 plus 5. So here this will add up, and we have x plus 2 x cube plus x plus 2 3x minus x plus 2 into 2 plus 9. So now we can take x plus 2 common. So x plus 2 will be common, x cube plus 3x minus 2 and plus 9. So what is the quotient here? Quotient x cube plus 3x minus 2, remainder nine. That is the final answer. So लंबा लगता है क्वेश्चन, लिखने में कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है, लेकिन नहीं है, बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. सो अगर आपने देखा तो वी जस्ट हैव टू टेक वन टर्म एंड पुट इट लाइक वी डिड, make x plus 2 out of it. So we have to make x plus 2 out of each term. Okay, so x raised to 4, how to make x plus 2 out of x raised to 4? We just have to do x plus 2 into x cube. Okay, so we get x raised to 4, and we have done the same for everything, and we got the answer. So please take it down. So number 3. Y cube minus 216 and y minus 6. So how to get y minus 6 from y cube? Multiply by y square. So we do y minus 6 into y square. So we get y cube minus 6y square. So we do plus 6y square minus 216. Okay, so very easy. Now what we are going to do, we will focus on this y minus 6y square. How to get 6y square में से y minus 6 कैसे मिल सकता है अपने को? So we can write y minus 6 and we just have to multiply this by 6y. So into 6y. So we get 6y square minus 36y. So we do plus 36y minus 216. Very easy. Okay. So y minus 6 into y square plus y minus 6 into 6y. Oh, plus now 36y. तो 36y में से y minus 6 कैसे मिलेगा अपने को? कैसे मिल सकता है? y minus 6 into 36. So y minus 6 into 36. So we get 36y. 36y minus 36 into 6. So we have to add that 36 into 6. We'll find out what 36 into 6 is in rough. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21. So 36 into 6 is 216. So we have to add 216 and we just take this term down. ये वाला नीचे ले लेंगे. So आएगा minus 216. Okay, very easy. Now you are almost done. Y minus 6 y square plus y minus 6 6y plus y minus 6 36 plus 0. 216 and 216 gets cancelled. So ये plus 0 लिखने का भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay. Now we are done with answer. Now we'll take y minus 6 common. Y square plus 6y plus 36. So here remainder is 0, perfect division, and we are going to write the answer as quotient y square plus 6y plus 36 and remainder 0. Okay, so please take it down. Now only 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 more questions remaining. We will do the fourth one. Fourth question, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. ऐसा क्या क्वेश्चन है? डिवाइडेड बाय x plus 2. 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square divided by x plus 3. Okay. So let's write it. अभी 2x raised to 4 में से x plus 3 निकालना है हम लोग को. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? x plus 3 को 2x क्यूब से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So x plus 3 इंटू 2x क्यूब करेंगे तो 2x रेज टू 4 आएगा और ये आएगा प्लस 6x क्यूब. तो इसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा, माइनस 6x क्यूब, और इधर है प्लस 3x क्यूब प्लस 4x माइनस 2x स्क्वायर. ओके, सो माइनस 6x क्यूब प्लस 3x क्यूब विल गिव यू माइनस 3x क्यूब minus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. Okay, so now we have to convert minus 3x cube into x plus 3. So we have to multiply this by minus 3x square. X plus 3 and minus 3x square. So we'll get minus 3x square माइनस 9x² प्लस 9x² करना पड़ेगा प्लस 4x minus 2x². Okay, so these two terms are sorted. Now you will see 9x² minus 2x² can be done, which will give you 7x². Okay, x plus 3 2x cube minus x plus 3 3x² plus 7x² minus plus 4x. So 9x² minus 2x² gives 7x². Okay, now 7x² we have to convert in the next step. सेवन एक्स स्क्वायर में से 3x plus 3 कैसे आएगा? सो x plus 3 इंटू 7x करेंगे तो आ सकता है. सो प्लस x plus 3 इंटू 7x. सो 7x² प्लस 21x. सो माइनस 21x करना पड़ेगा प्लस 4x. सो इसको भी कर देंगे. Okay, so we get x plus 3 2x cube minus x plus 3 x 3x² plus x plus 3 7x minus 21x plus 4x is how much? 21 minus 4 is how much? It is 17 and the sign will be negative. अब 17x को कन्वर्ट करना है x plus 3 में से. So x plus 3 2x cube minus x plus 3 3x² plus x plus 3 7x. अभी 17x को माइनस 17x को कन्वर्ट करना है तो आएगा माइनस x plus 3 माइनस 17, है ना. सो माइनस 17x माइनस 17 into 3. What is 17 into 3? Let's do it in rough. 3 7s are 21, 3 on the 3, 4, 5. 17 into 3 is 51. So we'll have to plus 51 here. Okay, so now we can take common x plus 3 common, and then we get the quotient 2x cube minus 3x² plus 7x. Oops, 7x minus 17 plus 51 as remainder. So quotient 2x cube minus 3x² plus 7x minus 17 and remainder 51. That is the answer.